Writers and crafters of the speculative experience, those writing sci-fi, the what ifs, the what tomorrows. There's a great conference coming up, free, online, virtual, hosted by the Department of Chicano Studies at the University of New Mexico. Latinx Visions 2.0, One Planet, Many Worlds online conference. If you just head over to their website, the latinxarchive.com, enter in, you'll see a really great lineup of speakers that are going to be sharing the virtual stage that day. And I'm teaching a workshop. We'll get to that. The conference is described as, how does the speculative imagination intertwine with the land that we walk upon and our intricate relationships with life on Earth, the rocks, rivers, and air? What traditional sciences and cultural practices are being recovered and revised through the speculative arts? At Latinx Visions 2.0, we will project our planetary web of humanity, technology, environment into the future to sharpen our awareness of this one planet with many worlds. Registration is easy. Just click on the registration link. It will take you to an Eventbrite page. It is absolutely free. The workshop I will be teaching is on Wednesday, November 5th, Mountain Time, 12:45 p.m., Eastern Time, 2:45 p.m., in room 2. My workshop's called Watch Out for Wormholes, Anchored Paths and Dynamic Duos in Graphic Storytelling. We're going to walk through some of my works as a prose and comics writer and explore devices used in creating these past-anchored narratives that deliver us to the future. In the full workshop, we stay close to the landscapes of New Rico and Puerto Rico and dive into speculative works that pick up from disaster capitalism, environmental piracy, and nostalgic identities. In this abbreviated workshop, we'll use works Andromeda with Seth Christian Martel and DR163 with Aaron Guzman. Stories that combine Orisha identity, Greek mythology, New Rican graffiti artists, and military veterans. We'll examine editor market objectives that influence what makes the page and the collaborative dialogue between teams that make things work or not work. The skill set here that's gained is how to practice heart and identity in your art while navigating the machine. If you head to my website or my link tree, you will find a download of the Watch Out for Wormholes PDF. That will give you a description of what we're going to be talking about, as well as links to the comics, which are free to read online. Andromeda is digital and print, and DR163 is on Webtoons, vertical scrolling, or our website. Can't wait to see you there at the Latinx Visions 2.0 online conference. One Planet, Many Worlds. Sign up.